Every M&M begins with the careful harvest of cocoa beans in sunlit plantations.
The beans are extracted with precision, preserving quality for the journey ahead.
Fermentation unlocks the deep chocolate flavors essential to M&M's signature taste.
After fermentation, the beans are sun-dried to stabilize and enhance their flavor.
Once dried, beans are collected carefully for transport to processing facilities. These beans begin their journey from plantation to the factory in secured transport. Each crate carries the potential for thousands of M&Ms waiting to be crafted.
At the storage hub, beans are inspected and staged before the chocolate-making process. Every bean is weighed and sorted, ensuring only the finest make it to the chocolate line. With beans sorted, these trucks carry the raw ingredients to the heart of chocolate production. The journey ensures the beans arrive fresh, ready for transformation. Safety and quality checks are vital before entering the production facility. Each shipment is weighed precisely to maintain inventory and production accuracy. The beans now arrive at the main facility, poised for the chocolate-making process. Forklifts transport each basket with care, maintaining quality and order. Conveyors guide the beans seamlessly into the first stage of processing.
Every delivery is double-checked to ensure only premium cocoa begins the chocolate journey. The factory stands as the...
Every entry is monitored to maintain strict quality and security standards.
At the dock, cocoa beans begin their journey inside the factory walls. The exterior reflects both efficiency and stringent safety practices within. Inside, the facility hums with controlled precision, ready for processing.
Every worker and shipment is verified, maintaining strict hygiene standards.
Conveyors guide the beans deeper into the heart of chocolate production.
Human oversight ensures accuracy and quality before machines take over. Here, raw cocoa begins its transformation into the sweet world of M&Ms. The first step is meticulous cleaning.
Vibrating screens separate the finest beans, ensuring only quality moves forward.
Human eyes complement machines, guaranteeing flawless selection.
Air blowers remove finer particles, leaving only pristine beans.
Even invisible hazards are removed, maintaining absolute purity.
Accurate weighing ensures consistency for the chocolate-making process.
Optical sorters detect imperfections invisible to the human eye.
After cleaning and sorting, beans are ready for the next phase of transformation. Every bin is monitored, ensuring a steady and controlled supply for production. The heart of chocolate begins.
Cooling ensures the beans retain their aroma and texture before grinding. Grinding transforms roasted beans into the rich cocoa liquor that forms the chocolate base.
Sugar and milk are blended carefully to create the smooth M&M's chocolate core. Conching refines texture, creating the silky consistency signature to M&M's chocolate. Tempering ensures shine, snap,
and perfect crystallization for every piece.
Samples are taken continuously to maintain consistency and quality.
Pumping delivers the chocolate precisely where each M&M will take shape.
Each chocolate center begins its journey toward the iconic candy shell we know and love. Cooling tunnels solidify the chocolate centers, preparing them for coating.
Each chocolate center is gently coated, creating the foundation for M&M's signature shell.
Drying and polishing ensure a flawless surface for the candy's final colors.
Precision coloring adds the iconic hues we recognize instantly.
Multiple color lines operate simultaneously, ensuring production efficiency.
Glazing gives each candy its glossy, irresistible finish.
Sampling at every stage guarantees the quality of every piece before packaging.
Automated checks verify uniform size and weight for a consistent product. Even minor imperfections are removed to maintain M&M's trademark quality. High-tech robotics ensure each M&M. Laser-guided systems verify color accuracy for flawless visual appeal. Precision sensors guarantee every candy meets strict size and weight standards.
Defective pieces are removed instantly, ensuring only perfect M&Ms proceed.
High-speed conveyors merge colors efficiently, maintaining a seamless flow. Automation prepares containers for swift, precise packaging.
Every pack is measured to perfection, ensuring consistent serving sizes. High-speed imaging maintains the integrity of every candy produced.
The automated systems deliver M&Ms flawlessly to the final transformation stage. Even after automation,
A final polish enhances the candy's iconic luster. Precision sprays correct any slight imperfections in color, guaranteeing consistency. Weigh checks ensure each pack contains the correct amount of candy. Each bag is filled precisely, maintaining the colorful mix M&Ms are known for. Sealing machines lock in freshness, protecting the candy's flavor and texture. Accurate labeling ensures traceability and brand consistency for each package.
human verification complements automation, ensuring only perfect packs proceed.
The finishing line delivers a flawless, ready-to-ship product for the warehouse. Samples are collected to ensure detailed visual inspection guarantees every candy retains the perfect finish.
Automated color analysis ensures each M&M matches brand specifications.
Precise measurement checks confirm consistent size and weight across batches.
Flavor and texture tests maintain the delicious quality consumers expect.
Moisture testing prevents spoilag and preserves the perfect crunch.
Metal detection safeguards every candy from contamination.
All results are meticulously logged, ensuring traceable quality control.
Only batches that pass every test continue towards shipment to consumers. Every bag is delivered precisely to the palletizer, ready for shipment.
Robotic systems stack pallets efficiently, preparing products for storage and transport. Shrink wrapping secures every pallet for safe handling and transport.
Forklifts move pallets efficiently, organizing them for easy retrieval.
The warehouse stores ready-to-ship products in controlled, organized conditions.
Pallets are loaded efficiently, beginning their journey to stores worldwide.
Distribution networks ensure M&Ms reach consumers fresh and ready to enjoy.
And this is how modern factories produce M&Ms from start to finish.
Witness the journey from bean to candy, where precision and care meet every step of the way.